Hey B, I think we got him on this one. Oh, I'm back in the black, killing the masses, trapped with a bunch of wax, using mics for some matches. You better pray I'm not spitting there any gases. Think of the madness, I be leaving you cats in ashes. Always hit them with a little bit of rhythm, killing when I be in them, subliminal terrorism, reducing the size by spitting poetic logarithms. It's a time to kill and I ain't reading John Grisham. I've been gone for a little and caught up in the middle, debating whether I want it and pausing all this scribble. But I'm back and I'll be murdering tracks with these riddles, so keep your head on a swivel. You never know where I'm at, cause I'm unstoppable with the rock and roll, making impossible possible, optical. This the chronicles of a diabolical prodigy with no camaraderie to who bothers me.
Oh no, it might go. Get your hands up cause the roof's about to blow. Oh no, it might go.
Who knows, who knows, you know, who knows,
oh no, it might go. Fire on the mic and the roof's about to blow. Oh no, I smell smoke.
Who knows, you know, who knows, They've been asking where the kid has been. Well, I'm right here and I'm going in swinging. Doubting I'll be back, what the fuck were you thinking? A young Rick Ross, I'm a blouse in the making. Fuck my enemies, y'all ain't ahead of me. I make the recipe for a hysterectomy. So y'all pussies can't make shit indefinitely, cause I'm the one making music live definitely. I'm on some other shit, like Clinton's other bitch, and soon the media is gonna be all over it. I'm coming with something making your head rushing. Adidas mentality, impossible is nothing. Why you be frontin'? Is it cause I'm back? I'm sorry that I'm stunting and they're tired of your crap. I've been out in right field in a daydream. Call me 95 Jordan, I'll be back on the scene.
Oh no, it might go. Get your hands up cause the roof's about to blow. Oh no, it might go.
Who knows, you know, who knows,
oh no, it might go. Fire on the mic and the roof's about to blow. Oh no, I smell smoke.